Hi everybody, I have a really special treat for you for your homework tonight, and it centers around toys. I really want you to think about toys. Now what I want you to think about is how you could create your own toy if you were an inventor. I think it'd be fun to be an inventor. So I came up with a question for you with 3 levels again, and you can choose your level. You can choose mild if that's easier, or you can choose medium. Or if you're really in for a challenge, you can try the spicy. So my first challenge is to think about a toy. Think about if you could create a toy, what would you make? What would it look like? What would it do? Why would kids like it? Think of something. I want you to draw me a little sketch of that picture of what your toy would be. Then on there, you need to include how much you would charge for that toy. Now be realistic. Don't say $1 million. Nobody's going to pay $1 million for a toy. But here's my example. I came up with a bouncy ball that bounces by itself. Here's my example. I named it the Ever Bounce Ball, and I also gave it a slogan, the ball that bounces itself, which is kind of an interesting idea. And I said I would charge $15 for it. Of course, batteries aren't included. And then I drew my picture right here, and then I talked about what you would find inside the ball because I think that's important. It has a motor that helps it bounce. So that's the mild version. Write down a sketch of your picture of what you would make for a toy and how much you would charge for it. Give it a name as well. Then your medium level is to decide, it's Christmas, everybody loves a good sale, so if you were to put your toy on sale, what would you charge for it on sale? I decided my normal price of $15, I would go down in price to $12.50. But then you have to tell me how much would the shopper save, because of course every shopper wants to know how much they are going to save. So I decided to do some subtraction. I did $15, take away $12.50, and you would save $2.50 if you shopped on my bargain sale. So I wrote that down. That's your medium. Tell me how much you would save if you put your toy on sale. Now the hard one. Let's pretend the holiday shopping season is over and you decide to figure out how much people have spent on your toy. Well, pretend someone bought 3 of your toys at the regular price before the sale. Sorry, shoppers. Then 4 more people bought your toy when it was actually on sale. So I want to know, how much money did shoppers spend buying your toys? There are 7 toys total that you sold this Christmas season, but 3 of them were regular price and 4 of them were on sale. So how much money did shoppers spend on your toy? That is the most difficult question, and I just want you to write your answers down on a piece of paper, bring them in tomorrow, and happy inventing.